Assalamu alaikum. Do Muslims believe in aliens? There's nothing really that refutes the belief in aliens. There's no explicit verse that says that there's nothing like aliens. As a matter of fact, there are verses that indicates to different types of creatures. Allah says, and creatures that you don't know of, that they spread out different creatures in the heavens and in the earth as signs for us to ponder of, and for those who have conviction in Allah, that Allah is capable, very capable of creating any type of creature. So it's very open. When I speak about mermaids, there's no rejection of it. You speak about aliens, there's no rejection of it. That's our take as Muslims.